welcome to a product highlight video all about Visiline. Visiline is an aluminium range of products exclusively available at EcoHouse. We offer windows, doors, sliding doors and bifold doors throughout the whole range of the Visiline products. So let's take a close look at some of the products on offer in our showrooms. The Visiline 2 sliding door, one of our most popular choices when it comes to sliding doors, is an all-aluminium double glazed system, which can achieve U values as low as 1.3. This particular example on our show in our Surrey showroom is a triple track slider. So all three panels can move from left to right, or from right to left. The Visiline 2 sliding door is available in a range of colours, inside and out, and has a flush track threshold with possible integrated drainage channel. It's PAS 24 certified and meets all requirements for building regulations for your new build, extension or remodelling project. So it really is a popular choice for customers. Some of the other key points to understand for the Visiline 2 sliding door is that we can offer glass corners, and we can also do open corners and pocket doors. So it really does provide a good versatile range for your project. The Visiline 3 sliding door, very similar to the Visiline 2 in the sense that it's an all aluminium sliding door, but this door is triple glazed and can achieve U values as low as 0.9. Again, it has a variety of configurations from double track, triple track, pocket doors, glass corners, and this particular example in our Surrey showroom is an open corner. So we can move the one panel and we have our complete open corner. Provides an amazing view and aspect for a project. The Visiline 3 has a flush track threshold, so your inside and outside levels can be exactly the same. The Visiline bifold door, and again an all aluminium system from Visiline, double glazed or triple glazed, and can achieve U values as low as 0.9. We have a 110mm sight line, so for an all aluminium bifold door, it's a slim profile. This particular example is a 3-pane door, so you've got your master door, which can swing around, and then we can operate the door here with this lever. The beauty of the bifold door is when the door's open, we get that full aspect of what's open. Different track options, so we can have a flush threshold if we needed, or we can have a step down threshold. Available in a range of colours and a huge amount of panels, depending on how big your opening is. We offer a huge range of windows with Visiline. We've got our standard open-out casement window, which is the flush casement style. We've got our traditional Crittall style retro casement window. And then we've got our tilt and turn windows, which are available in either a flush finish or a completely frameless sash finish. All windows are available in double or triple glazed, any colour inside and out, and meet all PAS 24 building standard requirements for your new build or extension project. So we've got a huge choice here for any style of project that you're looking at doing.